Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can share your thoughts on Facebook Messenger. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now, if you're on Facebook Messenger and you want to share your thoughts, how to do that? First thing first, if I open up the Facebook app, from here you can search what's on your mind, but there is no option of sharing your thoughts. So at the top right is the message option. Tap on it. Once you do tap on it, you will be lead to your Messenger app. Now here you can see share a thought is written in your note. Simply tap on here, and if you want to share your thought, simply go for now click on share at the top right, and that is how you can simply share your thought on Facebook Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.